Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy Tumelo Phamoli, the local guru, and I'm here with the man of the hour, Tumelo Phamoli. What do you do?
Hey everyone, it's your boy Tumelo Phamoli, aka Fresh Attack Papi, the hardest, the greatest.
Let's go.
But you already know.
Yeah.
So today is the 1st of November. I'm hosting an event. I'm officially launching my brand, Lustboysworldwide.
Oh.
Right? I've been having shoots the whole time for 3 years.
You're very busy.
Yes.
I always see on social media you're very busy.
Yes, I've been hosting, I've been going to events mostly, but now I thought today is the time for me to actually host my own event to create a space for creatives like you.
Yeah. It's around. I appreciate it, bro. I mean, hey, man, you're doing the interviews, it's crazy.
Yep.
I'm here with the guy who owns the best brand in the country. If you don't know, you have to tap in. Now you know.
Now you know.
We're rocking the brand, man. And also, we're launching the blue color, right?
Right. So today it's all about the blue color.
Yeah.
If you can see the detail, it shows, but it's not the normal one. Not the one that you're used to. So obviously, guys, I want you guys to make sure that you cop this one for this December. Summer's gonna be very hot, so you need to get your caps.
Please get the caps. They look good. Come on, man. So tell me, man. What does this mean to you? This is the first event for the year. For the brand itself. What does this mean to you? About the buzz is supporting you. What does that mean to you?
So for me, it's been a long journey. I've been operating for 3 years right now, and I felt like this is the year where I had to grow as a brand, right?
Yeah.
I've been doing shoots as I mentioned before, and now it's time for me to take it to the world.
You're going crazy on social media.
Of course, man.
I want to see those photos. I'm jealous.
Exactly.
Plug me, bro. I want to be there.
Like, I love the Lustboys community that we are building right now.
I love it so much.
Right? Like, today I'm blessed to have people like on my class are coming to my event. Mito, you understand? The best artists that are like in Cape Town.
Yeah.
We have motion, right? All I need from the people, support.
Please support the kid. And one more question, man. Your mom was here. I love that. I love that moment. Your mom was here. She's supporting. What does that mean to you? Like,
bro, my mom is like everything. My mom has been supporting me since the very beginning, right? It's not easy for a grown-up to hear that their son is doing something that is out of the ordinary. Exactly. I don't want to be a lawyer, I don't want to be a doctor, I want to be a brand owner, you understand? So I understand right now, you watching this video right now, you thinking to yourself like, I relate to you. You don't want to go to school, you don't want to be a doctor, you don't want to be a lawyer.
I don't like school, man.
You want to
I don't like school.
Same.
Yeah.
You want to do something that is out of the ordinary, right? And I'm saying to you right now, I haven't made it as of yet.
Yes.
And I'm saying
Yet.
But I'm saying take the risk. Take the risk, my dog. I'm talking to you right now. You watching this right now?
I hope you're listening.
Listen to me, my dog. Take the risk, my dog. People came to my event because I took the risk.
I love that.
Right? Even what I'm doing right now, it's a risk. Hosting an event, I spent money on this event.
Bro.
Right?
Yeah.
And I'm taking a risk. But I believe that on the other side of fear is the light. So
I hope you got that. That was beautiful. That's the word of the day and the night. Take the risk. And then last question, where to from here? Because as far as Zuma,
from here, obviously we're doing this event in Kailicha. I'm trying to be tapped in. I want Kailicha to be tapped in with our movement, right? It's very rare for spaces like this to be like available for Barbalapo because we always just like go lie and stuff. And Wikas is very toxic, but I believe that I'm creating a space for people like me who are scared but take the risk to come and operate. Now from here, bro, give me 1 year.
He said 12 months to 1 year.
Give me 1 year.
1 year.